So, how been ya? Welcome to the Black Country Craftsman's YouTube channel. If you enjoy our content, please subscribe. Smash us a like. Your support is much appreciated. So let's crack on with the rest of the video. Today we're going to take a look at repairing these grooves in the edge of two UPVC windows. Now, to complete this task, you will need some 2-part car body filler, some masking tape or duct tape, a filler knife, various grades of sandpaper, some white spray paint, preferably cone egg, and a water bottle. As you can see, it's all been damaged. It's something that I come across quite regularly in the construction industry, where you've got labourers and trades when these are being built. The scaffold's up, dragging things through the windows, and there's the consequence. Two ways of doing these. I've got another one to show you as well on this same video, where the damage isn't quite so bad, so we'll do a different method to sort this one out. But these have to be filled, as the gouges are just way too deep to try and sand those out and to polish them back up. So 2-part filler required, so we'll fill those first. Mix some 2-part car body filler using the ratio of 1 inch of hardener to a golf ball of filler. Okay, using the 2-part filler, carefully go across. What I've done, I've masking taped all the rubber off, as you can see, just so you can keep all the excess filler off the rubber, so it makes it a nice, clean, tidy job. Okay, I've removed the tape. While the filler is still soft, either with a standing knife blade or your filler knife, carefully remove the excess that has slightly gone underneath. Much easier when it's like this. Right, while the filler is setting on the other one, I just want to show you this other repair. Now, exactly the same situation where it's been damaged on the edge, not quite so deep. So instead of filling this one and spraying it, what we'll have to do with this one is sand this damage out and polish the window back up to its original condition. Right, using this sanding block with 180 grit sandpaper, really sand back until all the damage is completely gone. Okay, now that's sanded completely back, all the damage is gone. Now with plastic windows, UPVC windows are a through colour and they're not sprayed. Well, these aren't sprayed anyway, so the idea is that you can sand the damage out, and going through various grades of sandpaper, you can then start to bring and polish them back up and bring them back to their original condition. So what we'll do next is we'll go through some 240, some 320, which is slightly getting finer each time, and then we'll go to 600 wet and dry, and finish off with 1500 and 2000 wet and dry, and that will really polish the window back to its original condition. Right, now down to wet and dry. Spray the area, a little bit of water. Really work the sanding in to get the shine back on the window. Okay, just to recap, start off with some 180, 240 and 320. Now they're normal grade sandpapers, and then go on to some wet and dry where we go through 600, 1500 and then 2000 with some tissue. Just dry it off and polish it up. And as you can see, very simple repair, and that has come out perfect. Right, back to the other repair. So again, going through the sandpapers, 180 grit sandpaper. Start to sand the filler back until it's flat. Okay, we're all sanded flat. It's all been sanded. Going through the grades of sandpaper. Again, 180, 240, 320, and then with the wet and dry, 600, 1500 and then 2000. So this is now ready to spray. Make sure that you fully tape all the rubber, all up the sides and across there, just to make sure that you don't get any overspray. So we'll get that ready. Okay, we're all taped up. I haven't used masking tape. I've used what's called duct tape, as it sticks to the rubber a lot better. Not always the best thing to use when you are spraying. Always use masking tape if you can, but in this case I have had to use this. As I said, it sticks to the rubber a lot easier. So I always use this Koenig product to spray the windows. Very good stuff. Good colour match with the Eurocell one. So gently start to build up the coats. Okay, there you go. Repair all complete. The big thing about when you're repairing these and you're spraying these windows is you get a good colour match with your paint, and the range that I use are very good. Okay, you've seen two types of repairs now on very similar damage on the windows. One of them had to be filled and sprayed. The other one you could sand out. Difficult choice to make. Only you can decide which one you want to go for. But just remember, if the damage is too deep, then it's a fill and a spray. If it's only very light and just on the surface and you can get away with it, sand and polish back up.
Okay, if you've enjoyed this video, smash us a like, drop us a comment, and if we can help you, we will. And please subscribe to give us a little support. Also, please check out our other videos, as we've got quite a few out now. You may find something that might just help you out in the future. I'm the Black Country Craftsman. Don't forget to tell your muckers. Learning how to fix these problems yourself is cheaper than paying someone else to do it for you. Thanks for watching.